Hey there! Thanks for watching. And more importantly, thanks for caring enough about where your sales are really coming from. If you're here, it means you understand that great businesses don't just happen, they're built through smart systems. At Go Agency, we help you connect the dots between every lead, every visit, and every sale. Because when leads turn into guests and guests turn into loyal customers, that's when your marketing truly pays off. All right, let's dive in. Once you log into app.goagency.com, head over to the Opportunities tab on the left-hand side. Make sure you're on pipeline number 2, Customer Acquisition. If you have any advanced filters turned on, clear those out. We want to see the big picture. Now, look over at the Ads ROI column. You'll see that we've generated over $48,000 in verified sales directly through the Go Agency hub for this client. And yes, those numbers are verified by Toast and Incentivio. Keep in mind, if the customer isn't in the loyalty system, we are not able to track the ROI. Let's pick a random example together. Here's one, Chauncey Wiley. Select the name. On the right-hand side under Activity, you'll see exactly what happened. Chauncey joined the flock on July 19th at 10:42 a.m. through paid social, our Meta, Facebook and Instagram campaign called New Leads BOGO Free. He spent $41.45, visited the store twice, and his last visit was July 25th. And get this, that lead cost you less than $1 to acquire. That's a 45x ROI, 45 times your money back from one customer. Now here's the thing, Toast and Incentivio are amazing for retention. They help you keep your guests coming back, but they're not designed to bring you new customers. That's where Go Agency steps in. We feed the system that grows your business. And if you're not investing in ads to feed this beast, honestly, you're starving your own success. Another way to view this same data, head back to your dashboard, scroll down to Funnels and Stage Distribution, and select pipeline number 2, Acquisition. You'll see the same verified sales metrics right there. Just keep in mind, this data is imported manually by request, so it doesn't update automatically, and it's available only on the $693 a month plan or higher. Moving forward, campaign management will be standardized at $400 a month per channel. That covers 1 hour of professional ad management weekly to make sure your campaigns stay optimized and performing. If you're already on the $693 a month plan, there's no rate increase. You're locked in. If you're on the $99 a month software-only plan, this will now be billed separately at our standard $400 a month per channel rate. And here's the exciting part. We're bringing back our Black Friday annual special. When you pay annually, you get 2 months free, no matter what plan you're on. So instead of $8,316 a year, you'll pay just $6,930. That's a $1,386 savings. Thanks again for watching and for investing your time in learning how to grow your business the smart way. Ready to see what your marketing is really doing for you? Log into app.goagency.com and check your ROI today.